Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about the DAX related function in Power BI. So I've uploaded a file onto GitHub and the name of the file is DAX Related Function. You can download this file and do the tutorial along with me. I will leave a link to this in the video notes, so you can look at the video notes and find the location of the GitHub repository and the file name. I've also got the related function here with me, and it says that returns a related value from another table. So for example, if you want to hide one table but you're interested in one column and exposing that column via another table to the user, you can use this function. So I've got the dim product category and the dim product subcategory. So in the dim product subcategory, I want to include the product category name. So let's just use a matrix first. And I've got the English product. So I've got the English product subcategory name, but I don't have the English product category name here. So what I can do is right click here on the table name and go on to new column. And I can call it English product category name. I've just called it ENGPRODCAT name, and I will use the related function, and I will use English product category name from dim product category, and I will close the brackets and hit enter. So as you can see, English product category name becomes available to me, so I can select that, and you can see that I've got the product category here with me. And you can see that mountain bikes, road bikes, and touring bikes all belong to a category called bikes, and so on. So in this video, we learned how to use a related function and find or use a column from another table and bring it into our existing table. But you have to be sure that the mappings are correctly defined in the modeling tab. So if there is no mapping, this will not work for us. So as you can see, the dim product subcategory and dim product category are linked together. So you have to ensure that there is a linkage in the data modeling before you can use the related function. So in this video, we learned how to use the related function, and I hope you find this video useful. If you have any queries, please do send them or write notes, and I will normally get back to you on those. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.